The normal English language meaning of the word divide means to separate into parts, such as in the phrase divide and conquer. Mathematically, our goal is to create collections that all contain a specified number of objects. If we had 20 boxes and we were trying to put them into groups of 5, how many groups would we have? When addressing this problem, it is helpful to work in an organized manner. We will draw the boxes in groups of 5 and keep a running total as we go. So this is one group of 5, and another group of 5 makes 10, 5 more makes 15, and 5 more makes 20. Notice that when we have 20 boxes and we create groups of 5, we end up with 4 groups. Instead of lining up the boxes in one row, we can actually put this into a grid by stacking the rows on top of each other. This picture shows us that there's a connection between multiplication and division. How many groups of 5 boxes would we need to have 20 total boxes? In the language of multiplication, 5 times what equals 20? The answer is 4 groups. The way we would describe this calculation symbolically is 20 divided by 5 equals 4. The dividend is the number before the division symbol, and this represents the total number of objects. The divisor is the number after the division symbol, and it describes the size of the groups that are being made. The result is called the quotient, and this is the final number of groups that have been made from the original setup. The grid is a visual reminder of this process, and we will use it in a couple different ways. But when it comes to computation, you should be able to perform the division calculations relatively quickly without having to draw out individual boxes. Example, compute 48 divided by 6. You want to visualize that we have 48 boxes, and they're organized so that we have 6 in each row. The question is, how many rows will we need in order for this picture to be correct? If it helps, you can translate this into the multiplication problem. 6 times what equals 48? Hopefully you should recognize that this requires 8. 48 divided by 6 equals 8. Example, compute 64 divided by 8. Once again, we have 64 boxes lined up so we have 8 in each row. How many groups would we need in order for this picture to be correct? 8 of them, because 8 times 8 is 64. So 64 divided by 8 equals 8.